Okay, we've let the head set up and dry, and you see how this sticks out. So we're going to sand this down to be smooth with the top of the head. Before we do that, we want to hook our back up here, make sure this is going to fit in case we have to sand any of it down. So we're going to set this in where it goes, and we're going to glue these two pieces in here.
Last week was all about the wardrobe malfunction. Yeah, Warren had a wardrobe malfunction, didn't he? Yeah. He was on stage rocking with his green button-up shirt. Yeah. Willie and his hair looked all that much more fabulous in person. Did my nipple pop out? What happened?
So we'll slide this piece in.
Yeah. The FBI should have been called because Willie killed it. Okay. Especially when he called my bluff about being able to do 8 board game puns. Okay, yeah, that's in the end. Being an avid board game enthusiast, we enjoyed the bit thoroughly. Glad he made the trip from Illinois to see Willie put his big boy pants on and headline, "Keep up the good work." Okay, so maybe it wasn't a real malfunction, they were just being silly. Signed, the lady and the gentleman with the broad shoulders and the third leg. Oh, yeah. Sure.
Put a staple in here to hold it.
When you talk about stand-up like this, it isn't really fun. It's kind of you had to be there kind of thing. Right. I feel like you guys just feel like you're missing out, and I'm very sorry. But it was a party, you guys. We were good. Okay,
turn this over and do the other side.
We left the show and smoked up a big
make sure it fits
with our new Willie G lighter. Hell yeah, you guys. Hell yeah. That's how we do safely in the comfort of your own home, I hope. And once again, you saw.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
I might have insinuated, the stand-up is so silly. I might have just, that he might have had a big male member. At the time, it was very funny. Now it's very mature. The third leg, of course. Yeah. Well, it sounds like it was a great show. Yeah, we had a lot of fun, man. Thanks to my buddy Colin who opened, and all the fellows from Dubuque that Friday and Saturday were great. So we have
that on there.
Another show coming up Thursday morning. We'll be there in Cincinnati at the Hard Rock. Special guests include Duke Tomato and the Power Trio with the brass to mouth horns, Haywood Banks, and Drew Hastings and Donnie Baker. All will be there, I am told.
So now we'll put a clamp on it to hold it.
Get there early. It'll be fun. We have a special, as usual, a commemorative poster, once again, available for your dining and dancing pleasure. We now return to the OrangeInsoles.com sports desk. And finally today, a Colorado man has officially been named the oldest person to cross the Grand Canyon on foot, rim to rim. Rim to rim. That sounds like the name of a porno. John Jeff Gemma.
So we'll set this aside and let it set up. Then we'll sand it down.
John Jeff Gemma, J-E-P-K-E-M-A. John Jingleheimer Schmidt? John Jeff Gemma, Jingleheimer Schmidt.
So this we'll be able to put on. This will just get slipped in there, and we'll put 2 screws on the side to hold it. So we'll let this set up, and then we can put that on.
Right? He said 1 foot. It took him 5 days. 5-day backpacking hike.
So what we'll do is we're going to sand this down.
The nonagenarian, he's 91, said, "I long for the relief that death would bring."
Then we'll put our last piece on here. And then we'll sand that down. Thanks for watching.